we've done all our own measurements for the sizes of the bolts to the millimetre. Put it all out with pad. Usually a computer program does this on a new build. So on a new build, the computer program will spit out RLs of different levels and use grid lines, but we had to do this the old fashioned way because it was a reno. So yeah, so we just measured out all our bolts, all our chamfer details, all our angles, put it into CAD and got the fabricator to make it. It's all worked out fine. So we got our new beam in. As you can see, there was a couple of obstacles in the way, so it took a little bit longer than I anticipated. But usually on a new build, a crane would just levitate this beam in the air. It's a big steel beam, it weighs about 300 kilos, and then we'll just hang these columns on the end and drop it down into place. So that would usually take about 15 minutes. This took about an hour and a bit. It is a tedious job, but it's the beauty of the beast with renovations and extensions. You just never know how it's going to pan out. So I'm glad we got it in. Now we've got to get the next one in.